Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to apply texture to shape in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see, then you show the Photopea software, apply texture, shape. Now you can see, we're going to the menu tool. Now just select from shape tool option. Now click. Now select from Elias option. Now draw a shape. Now you can see, now keyboard press Ctrl T and resize your shape and move the shape. Now keyboard press enter. Now you can see, then going to the move tool. Now you can see, then apply texture shape. Now we going to the file menu option, then click. Now click for open option. Now select from open the texture background. Now we move the new project in the layer. Now you can see, then I show the background. Now for click, then click for mouse right button option, then click from clipping marks option. That it's that it's now you can see, apply texture shape in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.